so good. Hi guys, hi best friend.
Hey!
We're back for our second vlog. How excited are you?
So excited.
And guess where we are? I don't think you can tell yet from the background.
No.
I am popping her cherry today at Ikea.
Yes, guys, this is my first time at Ikea.
I cannot believe she's never been here.
I'm
It lives like
sorry.
10 minutes from us, and she's never been here.
I know, it's sad. I'm sorry.
Well, we're about to go in, but we're gonna eat the Ikea food to get the full Ikea experience, and yeah. Whoop, whoop. Alright, we just got our food. I got Swedish meatballs and mac and cheese, and she got chicken strips. She got the same thing as me plus something else, and it was less expensive. Confused. How you feeling in Ikea?
I'm so excited.
Okay, so we're sitting here eating our lunch, which we finished, and we look up, and there's a bird like up there, and then it just poops, and we can't find. It was like really close to us.
Yeah,
we don't know where.
We don't know where they went.
So we found our house. We walked in, and Fixer Upper is on. So obviously, it's meant for us. And this couch is actually amazing. Look behind us. There's like a bedroom there. Look at the chandelier. Oh, look at that. Okay, we'll get back to you after we're done loving this. Bye. What you doing?
Just having a nap in heaven.
We're just gonna take a nap here in Ikea. Be back. We walked away with 300 straws and some string lights and ice cream. Okay, frozen yogurt, but same thing, pretty much. It's both milk. It's really good. It's really good. This ankle's really bad. There we go. Sorry. Kind of lopsided. I think mine was bigger than yours. I ate mine faster than you. True. This is so good. Well, I'm obviously not doing a very good job, so bye. Alright, guys, we are now at home. Okay, there's so much stuff. This is big. I've never been here. You're top of my at-home cherry. Yeah. Okay, so what did you think of Ikea? Oh my gosh, it was amazing. I loved it so much. It was awesome. Oh, that's cute. I'm sorry. I'm so oh my god, they have so many Why did I not look here when I was looking for comforters?
Same though. Same.
I
couldn't come here for my comforter.
Guys, look at this. They've got more aisles. In this whole section. Look at this. Ow. We just got back to the bedding. I know it seems like 2 seconds for you guys, but I think we've been here maybe an hour or
Probably
2.
around there.
Hour and a half.
Yeah.
I just want Dr. Pepper.
Me too.
If we have actual any fans over here, please send us Dr. Pepper.
That's so cute.
That is cute. Oh my gosh, look at all these windmills. Windmills? Windmills? Do it again. Yes, Allison. Alright, we just got done at home and they gave us the biggest bag ever.
Biggest bag is.
I don't know if it's a good or bad thing that we got. Say both.
It's, yeah.
And
It's
now
huge.
we're going to Home Goods.
I want more of what?
I'm addicted. You don't really need the sound if you don't want it.
No, I think that's fine. Oh no. Oh! Oh my god!
God, that was really bright. Alright, so we just I almost fell, sorry. We just got out of Home Goods. She got a blanket. And
Look,
you were
tiny bag.
too tiny of a bag this time.
Too tiny.
I cannot see. God, oh my gosh. It's so bright.
Like the little piggy.
Oh wait, no, sorry. Goldilocks. It's like the beds thingy. Never mind. What?
One's too big. One's too small.
Oh,
Now
I
need
thought
one
you meant
that's
like the
bright.
brightness or something. I was like, what the heck are you taking?
No.
Also, I got free water from Starbucks. She got a paid mocha.
Yep, I paid for that.
Yep.
So. I'm dying, turn it on!
Ready?
Yes.
That's actually like a pretty good stand.
That's perfect.
That's how to vlog in
That is how we vlog in bed, right there. That is perfect. I have to get in jeans in like an hour.
Do Walgreens employees have to wear your jeans?
Slacks.
Slacks?
I think so. Yeah. At least that's what Brendan wears.
I've seen people in jeans at my Walgreens.
Maybe
that
it's-
rhyme. I've
Maybe
seen
it's
people in
different.
jeans at my
Which one did you
Walgreens.
apply for or have it apply? Is it the one by your house? Convenient. It's pretty close.
I'm surprised it's not falling down yet.
Me too.
There we go.
Hey!
We're back.
We back.
So, it's time.
I have to go take a nap and then go to work.
And I have to go home and play with my dog.
Oh,
and watch
bummer.
$1 Million Listing.
So sad. And The Bachelorette. You have to watch that?
I need to finish $1 Million Listing.
How much longer did you have?
I think I'm on episode 7, and there's 15 episodes. But I am gonna watch Pretty Little Liars tonight. if I'm too into $1 Million Listing. She's mad at me because I didn't watch The Bachelorette last night.
I just need to talk to someone about
You
it.
can talk to me about it.
Wait, you can't reciprocate any thoughts.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. You
Yes, I
haven't
can.
seen it.
Okay, get out of my car.
Fine, bitch.
Oh my god.
I'm kidding. I love her. It's okay. You want a sticker? You want a sticker? It's not really coming off. I don't want stickies to be left over. Ew. Never mind. No! Yeah. No. Okay, well, until next vlog.
Bye, best friend.
Bye, best friend.